Hey guys, this is Abhishek Kumar. Welcome to my another unboxing video. In this video, I'm gonna unbox Vivo T1 Pro 5G phone. Let's start the video. User manual documentation. Phone case. So in the box we got Vivo T1 Pro. One charging cable, one adapter, SIM ejector tool, Now talking about battery, another big highlight of the phone, its battery. Packing in a 4700 mAh battery, the T1 Pro squeezes out 7 to 8 hours on the time with ease. It comes with 66 watt flash charging. Now talking about camera. To take pictures, the T1 Pro is armed with 64 megapixel primary camera, which is accompanied by 8 megapixel ultra-wide and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The ultra-wide camera offers 112-degree field of view. We got 16 megapixel in front side. The few things to note about the T1 Pro camera module is that it comes with various scenes mode. Night, portrait, photo, video, 64 megapixel, pano, live photo, slow motion, time lapse, pro, AR stickers, documents, dual view and many more. Now talking about design and build. The Vivo T1 Pro comes with two colors, Turbo Black and Turbo Cyan. The front and back is of plastic. Talking about display, the display of the T1 Pro appears acceptable. The Full HD Plus AMOLED display spanning 6.44 inches is just about the right to grip the phone without issues. It has a refresh rate of 90 Hz with HDR10 Plus certified, and Netflix and Prime Video take full advantage of it. Now here comes the conclusion. In totality, there will be no evident downside inside the Vivo T1 Pro 5G, though it could have a higher refresh rate and a better digital camera module set up along with a headphone jack. But these are not very massive disappointment. The phone has a quick charging, 5G support and a strong build quality, which makes it all in all if you need a good looking 5G device with a decent overall specs under 25k range. The Vivo T1 Pro can be your choice. That's all. See you next time.